Hello and welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Popular Bahamian actor and former ambassador Sir Sidney Poitier has died. The news broke earlier today and industry players have since been paying tribute to the late icon. Talk show host and actor Whoopi Goldberg said Poitier showed us how to reach the stars, while entertainment mogul Tyler Perry said his grace and class was an example. Actor and director Keisha Knight-Pulliam referred to the actor as the epitome of black excellence. Tina Knowles also remembered the legend as a true class act, a trailblazer for black leading men. Media mogul Oprah Winfrey, former First Lady Hillary Clinton, as well as Magic Johnson, Debbie Allen, and Kerry Washington all paid tribute to the groundbreaking actor. Sidney Poitier is known for breaking many barriers. He was the first black man to win an Academy Award for Best Actor in 1964 for his role in Lilies of the Field. Poitier was also awarded the U.S. Presidential Medal of Freedom by Barack Obama in 2009. Ghanaian artist Shatta Wale recently made history with his track Dream. The track charted #1 on the iTunes Reggae charts in Canada. The track is featured on the Tropical House Cruises to Jamaica album. The project also features Sizzla, Elephant Man, Skilly Bang, among others. Shatta Wale recently headlined a sold-out concert in Ghana. He is best known for his worldwide hit song Already, which features Beyoncé, as well as the hit track Takeover. Major changes are set for this year's staging of the Golden Globe Awards due to the rise in COVID-19 cases. The ceremony that is scheduled for this Sunday will not be televised and will be held without an audience and red carpet. The organizers of the event stated that all select members and grantees who will be in the room must show proof of vaccination and a booster shot, along with a negative PCR test taken within 48 hours. Additionally, all guests will be masked and socially distanced at all times. The Golden Globe Awards will be held at the Beverly Hilton Hotel in Los Angeles. I'm Daedran Gordon reporting for E-Prime.